What's up, guys? This is Nick with Rogue Overland. I'm out here at the Texas HQ for Rogue. Getting ready to show you guys a new product that we just got from Rhino Rack called their new Batwing compact awning and the tent extension that goes along with it. So this video is going to kind of go over a little bit of the unboxing before we get ready to put it on one of the vehicles. Not sure which one we're putting it on just yet, but you guys will have to stick around and find that out. So for now, we're just going to go over the unboxing to kind of show you what you guys are getting when you guys get ready to order one of these and stick it on your own vehicles. All right, guys, let's take a look and see what we got here. As you can see, the packaging came nice. It was undamaged all the way out here in Texas. So let's go ahead and cut it open and see what sort of stuff they sent us on the inside. Super excited about this, guys. This thing is going to be nice. Thinking about putting it on the Dirty Max for our upcoming Rogue Overland expedition trip. All right, we got some instructions. Super simple packaging, guys. Let's see if we can't show you this. You can see, look at that. It came with nice protective foam padding, taped all the way around. Super simple and nice. I like this. Got the brackets that it came with. Also wrapped in that same sort of foam. All right, let's get this box out of here. Let's take a look at the tent. So this is that tent that zips into it. I bet this is packaged just the same, if not better. Yep. Nice and simple. Super compact. Man, I am excited about this. This thing is going to be awesome on it. I don't know, what do you guys think? You guys let me know.